Welcome home to this classic American farmhouse with a twist. You'll recognize the clean lines and 11-foot deep wraparound porches strategically placed to capture sunrise and sunsets. The 5-bedroom, 4-bath home is spacious, with about 5,600 square feet on 3 levels. The generous proportions and soaring ceilings combined with large windows to capture an abundance of natural light throughout the home. Southern life means outdoor living, and this home offers an abundance of spaces. The 11-foot deep front porch wraps around the front of the home, offering nearly 900 square feet for your rocking chairs and swings. The 40 by 60 detached workshop includes an 1,100 square foot apartment, plus an additional bath in the workshop. The 16-acre double lot is the perfect blend of fenced pasture, about 6 acres, woods, and a flowing creek on the back side. Hospitality begins at the front door, and this foyer says welcome, with its 2-story barrel vaulted ceiling and a pair of coat closets. Step forward into the great room with 12-foot coffered ceilings, walnut inlay flooring, and floor-to-ceiling solid cherry cabinetry framing the marble-clad fireplace. Triple French doors lead to the screened porch and deck. Step forward into the great room with 12-foot coffered ceilings, walnut inlay flooring, and floor-to-ceiling solid cherry cabinetry framing. The interior floor plan captures the best in modern home trends with meticulous attention to detail, preserving the formal dining room while opening up the great room, kitchen, and breakfast rooms with a wall of windows capturing breathtaking pastoral views. Separate formal dining room is located just off the foyer. The wide oak plank floors flow throughout the first and second levels. The screen porch is a generous 14 by 24, the perfect space for serving outdoor meals, and leads to an 18 by 24 deck. The possibilities for entertaining are endless. The kitchen is a chef's delight with professional-grade appliances, including restaurant-sized refrigerator, 5-burner Bosch gas cooktop, Bosch silent dishwasher, and built-in sharp drawer-style microwave. Solid cherry cabinets, offset with Brazilian granite countertops, add warmth to the space. The wraparound breakfast bar is useful for casual conversations and as a buffet serving station. The adjoining breakfast room overlooks the private backyard. The adjoining breakfast room, a spacious walk-in pantry and butler's pantry complete the thoughtful design. The laundry room is located off the garage hallway. The master bedroom has spacious proportions with a pair of walk-in closets and a spa-like bath. Slate tile floors, cherry cabinets with separate vanities, and Brazilian granite counters blend cool and warm tones. The tiled shower and garden-style spa tub complete the space. Across the hall is an office or nursery. There's a full bathroom nearby.